What's Canada Express Entry Profile? Creating an online Express Entry profile is quite simply the first step foreign nationals must complete to immigrate to Canada under the Express Entry system that offers permanent residence to skilled workers. Express Entry system draws for the Canadian Experience Class, Federal Skilled Worker, and Federal Skilled Trades programs were on pause during the first half of this year, but are expected to resume in July with, of course, some potential delay. That will be a boon for Canadian employers currently struggling to find workers as the unemployment rate hits a record low of 5.1%. Hi everybody, thank you for tuning in. If this is your first time visiting our channel, my name is Ahmad Raza, and here at Persia Global we help those who are in search of better opportunities to work, live or study abroad. In this video I'm going to talk about Express Entry profile and main applicant of couples applying through Express Entry. If you haven't already subscribed to our channel, subscribe now, and for getting informed of new updates hit the notification bell. The Express Entry system is open to candidates working in any of 500 occupations under Canada's National Occupational Classification or NOC system based on the job's duties and the work experience done. Management jobs are classified in the NOC as Type 0. Professional jobs that usually require a university degree are skill level A, and technical jobs that usually require a college diploma or training as an apprentice are classified as a skill level B. Intermediate jobs that usually require a secondary school education or on-the-job training are classified as a skill level C, and those that provide on-the-job training are ranked at a skill level D. It takes about 15 minutes to answer a few questions that IRCC official website poses to determine the eligibility of a candidate for Express Entry. You can find the link for the eligibility check below this video. Main applicant of couple applying should be one likely to get highest serious score. If you're married or have a common law partner, one of you must be the main or principal applicant. This person will submit a profile and list the spouse or partner in it. The principal applicant in a couple should be the one most likely to meet the eligibility requirements, earn the most points in the selection factors if applying under the Federal Skilled Worker Program, and earn most points in Express Entry's comprehensive ranking system. Foreign nationals who are eligible for one or more of the Express Entry programs and who submit their profiles online are then ranked in the Express Entry pool using the comprehensive ranking system or CRS, which is a point-based system used by Immigration, Refugees and Citizenship Canada IRCC to score these profiles. Once the candidate has been deemed eligible, he or she will be given a personal reference code. That's then used to move the information gleaned by the tool to determine eligibility to the Express Entry profile. The applicant needs certain documents such as language test results and their NOC code and job title to complete an Express Entry profile, but can exit the profile at any time as the system saves the information. He or she can then return within 60 days to complete the profile and submit it. Although these documents do not need to be uploaded to submit profile to the Express Entry system, applicants may need information from some or all of these documents: a passport, travel document, language test results, proof of Canadian education, or an educational credential assessment report for immigration purposes if applying through the FSW, or to get points for the education gotten outside Canada. Provincial nomination if the applicant has one. Written job offer from an employer in Canada if the applicant has one. Proof of work experience, certificate of qualification in a trade occupation issued by a Canadian province or territory if the applicant has one, and proof of sufficient funds. Consider at this point that to be invited, candidates need to have a score above the minimum points score for their round of invitations. Thank you for your support and likes and being a subscriber of Persia Global channel. We value your confidence in our content and videos and sincerely appreciate your time. Hope we met your expectations via the videos of the channel. Please comment and let us know about any specific content that could meet your immigration or relocation case. Make sure you don't miss out on other valuable videos related to immigration, study abroad, and visa acquisition. In this channel, I address many tips and points you can learn from our years of experience to ensure you are doing right or submitting the right documents. To get started by subscribing to our channel from today or contact us to use our services at persiaglobal.net/contact. Don't forget to hit notification bell and like button below this video. This is Amar Tawakkoli for Persia Global. May God bless you abundantly on your immigration and relocation journey. As always, pin all your hopes always on God. You will never be pinned down by man. I'll see you in the next videos.